Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing these sweets rolls. They're super easy to make and really yummy. You only need 4 ingredients. First, 200 grams of shredded cocoa, and then 100 grams of dried milk. Mix it all and add 330 condensed milk milliliters. Then mix it with your spoon and then to your hands. I will be separating half of it to color it with cocoa powder, 10 grams. Then mix it with your hands. Let's do the cocoa bars. First of all, I'm gonna be doing this form and then putting them together and rolling them again. So you can do any type of form as you like. Maybe this one, like white on the outside and chocolate in the inside. Then you just close it up and you have your chocolate and white chocolate, but it's condensed milk roll. After, you can just roll it up into some dried cocoa, and this will be it. They're really easy to make, super fast recipe. I recommend it so much because it's really delicious. If you like this video, give me a like and follow my channel so you don't forget to watch any of my videos. Thank you for watching.